converting it back to a normal tilt lock system. All they did, I already have the tilt lock piece out. They welded it in two places. I'm going to show you in a minute. But, you know, you got to knock this pin out here. I don't think anybody's ever going to have to do this. But if you do, you got to knock the pin out. There's a couple small little washers on the ends. Little tiny little fiber washers on each end of the pin. Just take pictures of how it looks before you take it apart. And remove the springs, cut the welds, and reinstall it. Take the decal off the side, or the sticker. I knew it was something simple. See, like I said, all they did was weld the factory tilt mechanism together in two spots, and I'll show you. So here are the two spots I'm going to cut right here, where the factory welded them. Welded the two pieces together so you can't tilt it. So I have a little small cutting wheel. I'm going to get in here carefully and just cut them off. And then I'll show you when I'm done. So here I got the welds cut. So now she moves again. All they did was weld it here and here, so it wouldn't tilt. So this way I utilized the same part. I wasn't sure if that was possible. Again, this is a new one on me. So hopefully I won't have to do this ever again. All right, let's put it back together. So after about 2 hours, no easy job grinding those welds out of there. You got to use pretty much a Dremel to do it. Very tight, but it's done. If for some reason that it had the secondary spring was missing too on the lock, this one down here was missing, so I replaced that too. So everything is back stock and it releases now. And I did have to use a donor motor. Right here to help me figure out how everything goes. Take pictures. Take pictures, folks. All right, so next I'm going to run this thing. I'm going to submerge it in water. And the last thing I have to do is convert it to a short shaft. Okay, so one more thing to go. Looking good. Well, off with the decal first. Don't need that anymore. See if I can get off in almost one piece. So here I got it all set up, submerged. I forgot these motors. They have what they call a wet sump. And cooling water actually fills up in the midsection and cools the exhaust megaphone. So another reason why they will not pump with the flush attachments. Just not enough water level to get to that point. But anyway, I just took the sticker off. She's back to tilt again. Tilt mode. Everything works. I got a little fan running to blow the smoke away, just so I could truly see how it runs and how it sounds. And also slight gas leak. Still, one of my fittings is leaking still. You just got to persevere, people. The little things are the ones that will drive you crazy if you let it. So let me, I want to try my new external microphone, see if I get a better sound while the engine's running. So let me go get my microphone. I think I run it in reverse for a while. Back in neutral. So I'm going to do a compression check and see how much it went up from when I did it initially before I ran the motor when it was had the dry cylinders. I had 80 pounds number one and 100 number two. So let me go do a compression check now after I've run it for 10 minutes or so.
Ford Tinker 62. Watch Glenn fix junk Evan Rudes and Johnson's, to name a few. Check out the latest videos in bringing these old girls back to life. To put again and cruise the waterways. They're best of the best from days long gone.